Good evening. I am Dr. Derica Davis, and I am the proud principal of Columbia High School. It is my pleasure to welcome you to our open house this evening. Tonight, you will have an opportunity to see images of your teachers, find out some information about how we're going to function in our virtual environment, and identify the academic expectations so that we can make sure that we work together to improve and impact your students' academic experience at Columbia High School. Parents, we know that the success of our students is a result of many positive contributing factors. Your presence on this virtual open house tonight is a strong indication of your commitment to your child's education. The bottom line is, we are glad that you are here virtually with us, and we appreciate your support to make sure that your student attends the virtual instructional sessions that will be offered daily by your teachers. We encourage you to continue this commitment throughout this school year as we stay informed and keep you informed about your child's academic progress. Here are a few ways that you can foster effective and productive communication with us. Check Infinite Campus, which is our parent portal system, the district's online parent communication system, to track your students' academic progress and attendance. This information is available to all parents at all times via Infinite Campus. Each teacher is going to maintain a virtual classroom using the Verge platform for our parents and students. When assignments are due, and the expectations for assignments will be listed in Verge. In addition, visiting our school website is always helpful as we update it daily with information and expectations for students, as well as the policies and procedures for teaching and learning. Keep your email and contact information up to date. It is available to be updated with our registrar. She will go into the Infinite Campus system and make the update, or you can simply do that by just emailing the teachers and letting them know the contact information that needs to be updated. Check your students' Verge accounts daily and ensure that they are working on assignments. If there are any issues, always feel free to contact the counselor or a secretary. All information for teachers, counselors, and secretaries, as far as a Google Voice number and an email address, can be found on the school website. Before you exit the meeting this evening, be sure that you pay attention to our video. It is very long, but it is there for you. We are excited to offer any information that we have at the current time about our virtual processes and expectations in this open house video presentation. The school's academic and progress data will not be disclosed for last school year, as we did not complete end of grade assessments. However, the school climate and school graduation rate will post soon. It is our expectations that our students are committed to virtual safety. Parents, please ensure that we educate our students on what it means to have appropriate interactions and conversations virtually. Thank you for listening to me this evening. I hope that you will appreciate the hard work that your teachers have put in to creating the virtual environment for this school year. There's a remarkable group of team members that are committed to ensuring your students achieve. Thank you for viewing this virtual presentation with us this evening. I appreciate all of the hard work that our teachers have put in to building the virtual classroom, and I hope that you appreciate it as well. There's a remarkable group of teachers that are committed to ensuring your students achieve virtually this school year. Please ensure that you continue to stay safe and ensure that you support each other through this pandemic. As always, one team, one dream. Hello,
Eagles. My name is Dr. Darton. I'm the Assistant Principal of Instruction and Testing. In other words, I'm the person responsible for building your schedules. Welcome to the 2021 school year. I hope you've had a great summer, and I hope that you are both healthy and safe at home. You may reach me via the website. My contact information is listed there, and we're here to support you and help you in any way as you learn virtually this school year. One team, one dream.
Hi, my name is Marcus Searcy. I'm the proud assistant principal here at Columbia High School. My primary role here at the school is to serve as the 9th grade academy assistant principal. And I hope you are as excited as I am to embark on this brand new but exciting school year. If you need anything, any support, or have any questions that need to be answered, don't hesitate to go to the school website, look at my information, and email or call. I'm available at any time. Again, my name is Marcus Searcy, Columbia High School, and here we believe in one team, one dream. Welcome to Columbia High School.
My name is Ricky Wright. I am one of your phenomenal assistant principals here at Columbia High School. I currently serve 10th, 11th, and 12th grade students. I am also over school nutrition, athletics, and school attendance. If it's anything you all need, I look forward to working with you all this 2020-2021 school year. And as always, one team, one dream.